Hello everybody, today we have a news lesson about Huawei, the Chinese electronics company. Let's have a look. Please repeat the title at the top. Huawei overcomes US ban with 13,000 replacements. Let's do the vocabulary match, and we're going to match the words at the top with the words below, starting with sanctions, production, export controls, operations, advanced technology. Okay, let's match those with restrictions, limits on selling, modern tech, activities, and manufacturing. All right, I've got my pen. What do you think? Let's start with sanctions, and sanctions are restrictions, okay, especially economic restrictions. The next one, production. Production matches with, what do you think? If you said manufacturing, you are correct. Export controls. Those are limits on selling overseas. Operations. Operations matches with activities. And of course, the last one, advanced technologies, matches with modern tech. Okay, please remember those words. I'll delete them now. And let's have a look at the article. Now, please shadow my voice. Are you ready? Here we go. Huawei, a big Chinese tech company, has replaced over 13,000 parts in its products because of US trade sanctions. Run Zhengfei, the founder of Huawei, said they use Chinese parts instead and have redesigned 4,000 circuit boards. Now their production is stable. Huawei has faced US export controls since 2019, limiting their access to American chips and technology. Run also mentioned that Huawei spent $23.8 billion on research in 2022 and will continue to increase their budget. Despite the challenges, the company has made significant progress in overcoming the trade restrictions. Huawei remains focused on research and development, aiming to strengthen its position in the global tech industry and become a leader in advanced technologies. Okay, let's have a look at the quiz. Number 1. What changes has Huawei made in the manufacturing of their products? What changes has Huawei made in the manufacturing of their products? So it's up here in the first line, not the first line, sorry, the second. They use Chinese parts instead. Okay, that's the big change. And they have redesigned 4,000 circuit boards. Okay. Question 2. What has the company made significant progress in? Significant progress. Can you see significant progress? Here it is at the bottom. They have made significant progress in overcoming the trade restrictions. All right, got it. Okay, let's move on. Today's conversation, and please shadow my voice. Here we go. Hey, did you hear excuse me. Try again. Hey, did you hear the news about Huawei? They've replaced 13,000 parts in their products. Wow, that's quite a lot. It's all because of those US sanctions, isn't it? Exactly. They've made They've even made 4,000 of their own circuit boards in just the last 3 years. They must be working hard. I bet all the research is costing them a pretty penny. You're right, $23.8 billion. Can you believe it? They don't give up easily, do they? No, they don't. I'm curious to see what new stuff they come up with in the future. Aha, okay, I like this. It's costing them a pretty penny. It's costing them an arm and a leg. It's costing them a lot of money. Okay? Let's look at today's discussion questions, and I would like you to pause the video and try to answer them yourself. Here we go. Number 1. Can you think of some Chinese products that are popular around the world? Okay, number 2. How do you think technology has changed our lives in the last 10 years? And number 3, if you had to give up one electronic device, which one would it be and why? That's a good question. I don't know. Okay, you think about those. Thank you very much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video. You take care. Bye-bye.